The ATND1061 can be flush or surface mounted in a drop ceiling or hard ceiling, or mounted in open architecture spaces via a standard VESA mount. This video will review the steps for installing the microphone on a compatible mount using the MIS D75 VESA standard. Tools needed: a Phillips screwdriver and screws. Find a location on the ceiling where the microphone will be about equal distance from each talker in the room. This location should be no more than 20 vertical feet above the talker's head. For best performance, the microphone should be suspended as low as possible without disrupting sight lines. A seismic cable kit is provided. Attach the seismic cable to another structure within the building. Make any final cable terminations and cable tests. Connect to the microphone. Use the studded screws on the back of the microphone to connect the other end of the seismic cable. Attach the microphone to the VESA mount using the four 10mm M4 screws. Do not use screws with a length that exceeds the sum of the mounting screw hole depth, 8mm, of this product and the thickness of the screw mounting part of the VESA mount. Align the threaded holes on the back of the microphone with the VESA mount and gently tighten the screws using a screwdriver. Do not use a powered screwdriver, as this may strip the threaded holes. The microphone is now ready to be powered on and configured. To learn more about the ATND1061 Beamforming Ceiling Array Microphone and download installation guides and software, visit audiotechnica.com.